So anybody that has an addiction problem also has an emotional problem. Yes, I've said it, yes. If you have an addiction problem, there is an underlying emotional problem. Drug addiction, porn addiction, gambling, whatever, there is an emotional problem. And the most common one I've observed is anger issues. You have anger problems. If you don't have anger problems, you are too sensitive on your emotion. Little things get you sad. You get too emotional. Yes. So if you cannot handle the emotional issue, my dear, if you like stay in rehab for 6 months, when you're out, the emotional issue will take you back to drugs. So that's why you now get to know that emotions become a trigger. I would always say this. There are 3 types of triggers. There's environment in terms of person and place. You go to meet the environment, you get cravings. There is emotions in terms of triggers. You get triggered emotionally. You certainly have cravings. And then there are triggers in terms of physical sensations, which the withdrawal symptoms are a part of. So part of addiction recovery is to handle emotions. Okay, so you avoid emotional triggers by teaching things like problem solving. If a person has a problem, most likely that problem, if that problem is persisting, you get it, the person would have an emotion attached to the problem, and if that emotion persists, he'll get triggered. You get it? So you get to know that if an unsolved problem leads to emotions, the emotions persist, leading to cravings, and then I'll go to use the drug to handle the emotions, and we're back to square one. So teach problem solving skills in your addiction recovery program, else you'll be back to square one. Okay.